this session we will be installing a Madjax Seat Belt Bar. The kit includes the seat belt bar, the hardware to install. The tools you will need will be a 17mm wrench and socket, and in certain cases you may need a 7/16 drill bit. For this example we will be using a club car precedent. As you can see, the bar has a longer ear on one side than it does the other. So there are several different ways that you can install this bar to the cart. On this cart we will be installing the bar on the front and using the shorter ears towards the front of the cart. Now we will set the bar on the front side of the strut. We will take 2 bolts and then one of the short brackets and then the nuts and washers. Install the bar on each side and attach the bracket. Now we want to install the hardware on the other side. And make sure that the bar is centered on the cart. Now we're ready to tighten up. Now we want to tighten up the other side. Congratulations, you have finished the installation of your Madjax Seat Belt Bar.